Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant biggest update, that is related to GenC Pro, GenC Next hiring update. So in the particular video, we will discuss about the current hiring status and what about the new hiring update that is related to 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch. Like and share the video. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I have one request from all of you. With the help of everyone's support, we are nominated for Topmate Creators Award, and guys, only 48 hours are remaining for the voting process. Okay, the vote process is very simple. You have to click on 5 times upvote here. Okay, this is the simple process in each of the category, and it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to cast or give your valuable vote. I need your support. Let's win this award, and this award is dedicated to online learning family. We are planning goodies and event session. The link is in the description. Check out. So the update from campus recruiter at Cognizant, launching soon on-campus hiring for 25 batch BE, BTech, ME, MTech engineering graduate. Okay, so this is the breaking news. They are hiring for entry-level roles. GenC Next, GenC Pro, GenC 4 LPA to 6.75 LPA is the opportunity. This year, Cognizant announced the on-campus opportunity more like GenC. For GenC, they also announced the opportunity for 24 batch. Now for 25 batch, they announced the big 3 opportunity: GenC Next, GenC Pro, GenC 4 LPA to 6.75 LPA. So partner campuses will be notified soon. One of the most important point, if your college is collaborated with the Cognizant, okay, so they will get the update from Cognizant that is related to this hiring. Let's discuss about one of the most important point. What about the hiring status for the freshers batch? Okay, so as I already said in all my previous video, that in the Cognizant, okay, as we know that in the Cognizant, okay, like there are two type of hiring: on campus hiring and off campus hiring. Okay, off campus and on campus hiring. In the off and on campus hiring will depends upon your college eligibility and the other factor. But in the off campus hiring, they hire through engineer trainee and graduate trainee role. Graduate trainee is basically for 3-year courses, and GenC hiring programmer analyst trainee. This year they conducted the on campus opportunity. Okay, so if I'm talking about the role and salary, so GenC 4 LPA, engineer trainee 4 LPA and graduate trainee 2.52 LPA. Okay, that is for like 3-year courses. The one most important point, the big opportunity is for 25 batch. They mentioned that they are announcing the 3 role opportunity, that is GenC, GenC Next and GenC Pro. Okay, and this is a on-campus opportunity. But if I'm talking about the off-campus opportunity, it will totally depends on them. So if I'm talking about the batch of 21, 22, 23, so all hirings are completed and ongoing. Totally depends on them which batch they are considering. Okay, I will show you some example. Just understand that in this year 2024 year, Cognizant mentioned the like hiring, that is digital workplace graduate trainee for 22-23 batch for service desk role. This year 29 July 24 is the last date. 2.25 LP is the package, and graduate trainee is the role. Any 3-year graduation can apply. So they consider the 22-23 batch in this particular hiring. If I'm talking about the tech hiring, that is related to 22-23 batch. So guys, it will totally depends on them. Okay, when they will release the notification for GenC off campus hiring. Okay, totally depends on their timeline, or we can say that according to their requirements. Okay, this year, okay, last date, application date is 14 August 24. This opportunity is expired yesterday. ITPT off campus hiring for 3-year undergraduation, 2.52 lakh is the package. Okay, so that I mentioned that like engineer trainee GenC, engineer trainee and graduate trainee 2.52 LPA is the basically role. If I'm talking about the language based hiring, so this year GenC 23 and 24 graduates hiring for Japanese certified student, JLPT certification N1, N2, N3. And this opportunity GenC is related to programmer analyst trainee, that is a on-campus opportunity for 2024 batch student. Okay, they also announced the GenC PWD hiring 2024 batch, in which 4.4 lakh is the package, that is a CTC. Okay, the thing is in 2022 year, we know that the recession is there. That's why they posted one opportunity that is related to GenC, and that hiring is cancelled at that time in 22 year. Okay, but we are eagerly waiting for the 23-24 batch, or we can say that 22. Okay, like Cognizant team at least give the opportunity for freshers batch that is related to Gen Z hiring, or we can say that that is related to tech hiring, that is for BE, BTech and other courses. So it will totally depends on them whether like when they will announce the opportunity for the freshers batch that is related to off campus. But the most important thing guys, if you are from 3-year courses, okay, so your hiring is most probably like ITPT announced, they announced the ITPT off campus, they announced the other opportunity that is related to basically digital workplace. So apply for that opportunity. Okay, the main thing is the registration timeline is like over. Okay, and if I'm talking about the 25 batch, okay, so be ready for the on campus hiring. If your college is partnered with the like Cognizant team, so definitely you will receive the update that is related to GenC, GenC Pro and GenC Next. So this is about the hiring update of Cognizant, and I have request from all of you that please apply for all opportunity that we are sharing on our channel. Okay, that's the most important thing. And I am expecting that this year Cognizant will hire the freshers batch. Totally depends on them, but most probably hiring आना चाहिए, टेक के लिए hiring आना चाहिए जिससे कि सारे कैंडिडेट्स उसमें अप्लाई कर पाएं. So this is the update of current hiring and the new hiring updates of Cognizant. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video and share this video with your friends.